autistic, and like many other autistics, my mind goes blank if you ask me about a favorite this or that. What's your favorite movie or your color? I guess it relates to our literal thinking that I have to find the literally favorite movie of all times, and I just don't remember any movie. And the same with asking me about colors. And because I'm autistic and because I go blank, I spend a lot of time thinking about what's my favorite color. And then one day I realized that I may not have a favorite color of all times, but I do keep coming back to the same three. There's this one, look, here. And then there's the pink, here. And yellow, this one. Do you see it? I just love it. Cyan, magenta, and yellow. My autistic brain just, it has a mega glimmer when I think about this. My literal brain just loves that I have the literal ground colors that I keep coming back to, which means my favorite colors are all colors.